Top 5 Best Low Potassium Food You Must Eat to Flush Out Toxins and Repair Kidneys. Fast. What if I told you there is a simple food you can eat that is gentle on your kidneys and helps flush toxins from your body? For many people with kidney problems, eating can feel confusing and stressful. You're told to avoid so many foods, especially foods high in potassium. But here's the good news. Not all foods are dangerous for your kidneys. In fact, there are low potassium foods that can support kidney function and help reduce the buildup of waste in your blood. The key is knowing which foods are safe and how to choose them the right way. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best low potassium foods you must eat to help flush toxins and support kidney repair naturally. These foods are easy to find, easy to prepare, and safe for people who want to protect their kidneys. Watch until the end because the last food on this list is one many kidney patients don't expect, and it could make a real difference for your kidney health. 1. Arugula. Arugula is a leafy green that many people do not pay much attention to, but it can be a very good choice for kidney health. When you have kidney problems, your kidneys struggle to remove extra minerals from the blood. This is why foods high in potassium or phosphorus can become dangerous over time. The good news is that arugula is naturally low in both of these minerals, making it a safer green for people on a kidney-friendly diet. 1 cup of raw arugula contains only about 74 milligrams of potassium, which is very low compared to many other leafy greens. For example, 1 cup of cooked spinach can contain more than 800 milligrams of potassium. This big difference is why many kidney diet guides recommend arugula as a better option for people who need to control potassium levels. Arugula is also low in phosphorus with only about 10 milligrams per cup, which helps reduce stress on the kidneys and protects bone health. Arugula also provides important nutrients like vitamin K, calcium, and manganese. Vitamin K plays a key role in bone strength and normal blood clotting, which is especially important for people with kidney disease, since weak kidneys are often linked to weaker bones. On top of that, arugula contains natural nitrates that help relax blood vessels and support healthy blood pressure. Keeping blood pressure under control is one of the most important ways to slow kidney damage and protect kidney function over time. Another benefit of arugula is its antioxidants, including compounds called glucosinolates. These antioxidants help fight inflammation in the body. Less inflammation means less damage to blood vessels and kidney tissue, which supports long-term kidney health. Arugula is also very easy to use in everyday meals. Because it has a naturally peppery and slightly bitter taste, you don't need to add much salt to make it taste good. A simple kidney-safe salad can be made with fresh arugula, sliced pears or apples, and a small amount of macadamia nuts, which are lower in phosphorus than many other nuts. A light dressing made from olive oil, lemon juice, and a small touch of honey adds flavor without harming the kidneys. Lemon juice contains citrate, which may help reduce the risk of kidney stones, while olive oil supports heart health. Another easy way to eat arugula is by adding it to eggs. Lightly cook a handful of arugula until it just wilts, then add egg whites or 1 whole egg with 1 egg white to keep phosphorus lower. This provides high-quality protein without overworking the kidneys. For extra flavor, garlic or onion powder can be used instead of salt. Small choices like adding arugula to your meals may seem simple, but over time they can help flush toxins, reduce strain on your kidneys, and support better kidney health in a safe and natural way. 2. Onions. Onions are one of the most powerful and underrated foods for kidney health. For many people with kidney problems, reducing salt is one of the hardest changes to make. Food can quickly start to taste bland and boring. This is where onions become extremely helpful. They add strong, rich flavor to meals without adding any sodium, which helps protect your kidneys. 1 small onion, about 70 grams, contains only around 3 milligrams of sodium, about 102 milligrams of potassium, and roughly 20 milligrams of phosphorus. These numbers make onions very safe for people who need to control potassium and phosphorus intake. Because of this, onions are often considered a superfood in renal diets and are used daily in kidney-friendly cooking. Onions are also rich in important nutrients like vitamin C, manganese, and B vitamins, including folate. These nutrients support energy levels, immune health, and overall cell function. On top of that, onions contain prebiotic fibers that help feed healthy gut bacteria. A healthy gut plays a role in reducing inflammation and supporting better toxin removal from the body, which indirectly helps the kidneys. One of the most important compounds found in onions is a flavonoid called quercetin. Quercetin is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Research has shown that quercetin may also help lower blood pressure. This is critical because high blood pressure is one of the main causes of kidney damage. By helping blood vessels relax and reducing inflammation, onions support both heart and kidney health at the same time. Another benefit of onions is their natural anti-inflammatory effect. Chronic inflammation can damage the tiny filtering units inside the kidneys. Eating anti-inflammatory foods like onions may help slow this process and protect kidney function over time. Onions are also very easy to prepare in kidney-safe ways. Slowly sautéing or caramelizing onions in a small amount of olive oil brings out their natural sweetness. When cooked this way, onions become so flavorful that you don't need to add salt at all. They work perfectly in omelets, pasta dishes, or as a topping for grilled chicken or fish. Raw onions are also a great option. They contain higher levels of sulfur compounds and antioxidants. Thinly slicing red onions and soaking them in cold water for about 10 minutes can reduce their sharp taste and make them easier to digest. These can be added to salads with arugula and low-potassium fruits like pears. Another simple option is roasting whole onions in the oven until the inside becomes soft and sweet. This creates a satisfying side dish that is much lower in potassium than foods like baked potatoes. Adding onions to your meals is a small change, but it can make a big difference. They help you eat with less salt, reduce inflammation, protect blood vessels, and support your kidneys in a natural and gentle way. 3. Egg whites. Egg whites are often called the gold standard of protein for kidney health, and for good reason. When you have kidney problems, your body still needs enough protein to stay strong, but too much waste from protein can put extra pressure on your kidneys. Egg whites solve this problem in a very smart way. 2 egg whites provide about 7 grams of high-quality protein with around 110 milligrams of sodium, about 108 milligrams of potassium, and only 10 milligrams of phosphorus. This makes egg whites one of the safest protein choices for people on a renal diet. Unlike many meats or whole eggs, egg whites give your body what it needs without creating too much waste for the kidneys to filter. Egg whites contain all the essential amino acids your body needs. This means your body can use almost all of the protein efficiently. When protein is used well, less waste is produced in the blood. This is very important for people with weak kidneys because it helps reduce toxin buildup and lowers stress on the kidneys. Another big advantage of egg whites is that they contain almost no phosphorus. The egg yolk, on the other hand, is very high in phosphorus. When phosphorus levels are too high, calcium can be pulled out of the bones and deposited into blood vessels, which increases the risk of heart and kidney problems. By choosing egg whites instead of whole eggs, you protect both your bones and your kidneys. Egg whites are also low in potassium. One large egg white usually contains only about 45 to 55 milligrams of potassium, making it a safe low-potassium food even for people with advanced kidney disease. Egg whites are very easy to add to kidney-friendly meals. They can be used to make omelets, sandwiches, or even added to smoothies if pasteurized. A simple and balanced meal idea is to combine egg whites with onions and arugula. Slowly sauté onions in olive oil to bring out their natural sweetness. Add a small amount of shiitake mushrooms if allowed, then toss in fresh arugula at the last moment. Pour in the egg whites and gently cook until set. Season with black pepper and a squeeze of lemon instead of salt. Another creative option is egg white cloud toast. Whisk egg whites until fluffy. Mix in chopped green onions, then bake or lightly pan fry. Serve on white sourdough bread, which is usually lower in potassium and phosphorus than whole wheat bread. When buying egg whites, it's important to read labels carefully. Some liquid egg products contain added phosphorus or sodium preservatives, which are harmful for kidney health. Fresh whole eggs are often the safest option since you can separate the whites yourself and avoid hidden additives. Choosing egg whites as your main protein source is a simple but powerful step. It helps you maintain muscle, reduce toxins, and protect your kidneys without sacrificing nutrition or flavor. Quick pause for a second. If this video is helping you understand kidney health better, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos like this. If you have any questions or concerns about your kidneys, leave a comment below. I do read them, and your question might help someone else too. And I'm also curious, where are you watching from? And how old are you? Drop it in the comments so we can learn from each other and build a strong community here. Now let's continue with the video. 4. Cherries. Cherries are a simple and delicious fruit that can offer real benefits for kidney health when eaten the right way. Many renal dietitians often recommend cherries because they are naturally low in sodium and provide powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that support both the kidneys and the urinary tract. A half-cup serving of fresh sweet cherries contains about 0 milligrams of sodium, around 160 milligrams of potassium, and roughly 15 milligrams of phosphorus. These numbers make cherries a safe option for most people with kidney problems, as long as portions are controlled. Compared to many other fruits, cherries are much gentler on the kidneys and do not cause a sudden spike in potassium levels. One of the biggest benefits of cherries is their ability to reduce inflammation. Cherries are rich in antioxidants and plant compounds called anthocyanins, which give them their deep red color. These compounds help reduce inflammation inside the body, including in the tiny filtering units of the kidneys called nephrons. Less inflammation means less long-term damage and better kidney function over time. Cherries are also well known for helping lower uric acid levels in the blood. High uric acid is linked to gout and kidney stones, both of which can put extra stress on the kidneys. Tart cherries in particular have been shown to help the body remove excess uric acid more efficiently. This makes cherries a smart food choice for people who are prone to kidney stones or joint pain related to kidney stress. Another benefit many people don't realize is that cherries are a natural source of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep. Good sleep plays an important role in kidney repair and overall healing. Eating a small serving of cherries in the evening or drinking a small amount of tart cherry juice may help improve sleep quality without causing excessive urination, which can happen with some high-water fruits. Cherries are also very easy to enjoy in kidney-friendly ways. Fresh cherries make a great snack on their own. They can also be cooked into a simple cherry sauce to serve with meats like pork or lamb, adding natural sweetness and flavor without the need for salty sauces. Unsweetened cherry juice is another option, but it should be consumed in small amounts to avoid too much sugar. However, portion control is extremely important with cherries. Even healthy foods can become harmful when eaten in large amounts. A safe portion for most kidney diets is about 10 to 12 cherries per day. Eating a large bowl of 30 or 40 cherries at once can raise potassium and sugar levels too quickly, making it harder for the kidneys to process. When eaten in moderation, cherries can help reduce inflammation, protect the kidneys, support better sleep, and lower the risk of kidney stones, making them a valuable and enjoyable addition to a kidney-friendly diet. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is one of the healthiest fats you can add to your diet, and especially if you want to protect your kidneys. When you have kidney problems, many foods become limited because they contain potassium, phosphorus, or sodium. Olive oil is different. 1 tablespoon of olive oil contains less than 1 milligram of sodium, less than 1 milligram of potassium, and 0 phosphorus. This makes it one of the safest foods you can use every day on a kidney-friendly diet. Olive oil is rich in a healthy fat called oleic acid, which has strong anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic kidney disease is closely linked to long-term inflammation, especially in the small blood vessels that filter waste from the blood. Olive oil also contains a natural compound called oleocanthal, which works in a similar way to anti-inflammatory pain medicines, but without harming the kidneys. This helps calm inflammation and protect delicate kidney tissue over time. Another major benefit of olive oil is its strong connection to heart health. The heart and kidneys work closely together, and high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney failure. The monounsaturated fats found in olive oil help lower bad LDL cholesterol and support healthy blood pressure levels. When blood pressure is under control, the kidneys do not have to work as hard, which slows down kidney damage. Olive oil is also packed with antioxidants called polyphenols. These compounds help prevent oxidation and protect cells from damage. Studies have shown that people who regularly use olive oil instead of other cooking oils have lower rates of heart disease and certain cancers. This is one reason the Mediterranean diet, which uses olive oil as its main fat source, is often recommended for people with kidney problems. Another important advantage of olive oil is that it provides high-quality calories without adding extra protein or minerals. For people with kidney disease who struggle to maintain weight, olive oil is a safe way to add energy to meals without stressing the kidneys. When choosing olive oil, quality is very important. Extra virgin olive oil is the best choice because it is the least processed and contains the highest amount of antioxidants. Virgin olive oil is also a good option. Light or refined olive oils are more processed and lose many of their health benefits. Olive oil blends should be avoided as they are often mixed with cheaper vegetable oils that can increase inflammation. Olive oil is easy to use in daily meals. It can be used for light cooking, mixed into salad dressings, drizzled over vegetables, or used to marinate foods. Simple changes like replacing butter or vegetable oils with olive oil can help reduce inflammation, protect the heart, and support healthier kidneys in a safe and natural way. As you can see, taking care of your kidneys does not have to be complicated. Simple food choices can make a real difference. In this video, we talked about 5 low-potassium foods that are gentle on your kidneys and help reduce toxin buildup in the body. From leafy greens like arugula to flavor boosters like onions, clean protein from egg whites, powerful fruits like cherries, and healthy fats from olive oil, each one plays an important role in protecting kidney function. The key is balance and consistency. You don't need extreme diets or expensive treatments. When you choose foods that are low in potassium and phosphorus, reduce inflammation, and support healthy blood pressure, you give your kidneys the best chance to work better and stay strong for longer. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more simple and trusted tips on kidney health. If you have any questions, concerns, or personal experiences, leave a comment below. Your comment may help someone else who is struggling too. And don't forget to share this video with a friend or family member who may need to protect their kidneys today. Thank you for watching. Take care of your kidneys, and I'll see you in the next video.